Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Mr. Bobby Clips. Today, in this video, I'm using the TR2 conversion kit. Makes it as SMG. It's usually what is this? This is a marksman rifle, but it's an SMG. Don't use it. It's dog shit. Control your recoil. Use a ported compensator. If you don't, use the monolithic suppressor for the extra bullet velocity and damage range. Other than that, this is my build. If you want to use it, you can. It is absolute dog shit. This is the MW2 in 13B. This is my build for it. It's, as you can see, the handling is really slow, but it's slower build. It hits hard. Okay. If you like this type of content, if you like me going to casuals, regular, just playing Call of Duty with my friends online, make sure you drop a like and subscribe.
Alright, win or lose, even if it's my fourth one in a row, I can't play another one. And I'm not gonna be so sweaty this game, I'm gonna try to be more casual.
Alright, let's go. A shotgun, yes.
Don't worry, I'm coming. I shall bring the goods.
Whoa, 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 yeah, what the hell happened there?
I got
How
money.
did you guys get a loadout already?
I got money from the box.
Shit, you must have got like a 10G bag.
Yeah, I did. It was a big bag.
Damn.
Yeah. Running people over. Hello, sir. You know me, I can't help going to get that key card, man. I apologize.
Oh, did you get a specialist?
No, the other one.
Oh no, the other one.
Yeah, we have two loadouts now.
I was gonna say, we got all these loadouts. Damn, dog. Oh, should I run sniper? I don't know. Fuck.
I did.
You're gonna run sniper? Yeah, I'm gonna run sniper.
Always. I fucked up my settings, dude.
Something's wrong. Enemy UAV is online.
In case you want my cipher again, I'm dropping it on the Lodi.
Yeah, that's better.
I'm running my kilo. I run it as a SMG with like no barrel or no
Another vest right there.
Stock Mundo.
no stock. Yeah, it's fucking shreds.
I'm running the GPR.
I like that gun. That one's consistent.
Kind of like the C9. It's this.
See, everybody loves the C9. I prefer the PP19 than the C9, man.
I love when you have your PP.
You like that with a little bit of baby oil? We rocking
Love
that
the
out.
PP.
That's why I call it the bullfrog instead of that.
Oh, now I know why. Okay.
Yeah, bullfrog from Cold War.
He wanted that buy, but I got shot in the face.
These guys are cheating. These guys are cheating. Oh, how do you know I was there? Okay, now we pissed them off. They're now they're shooting at us. Whoa! 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 Relax! Relax, buddy. Is that your little boyfriend?
Why are you down? Oh, I got reamed. Get him before he slaughters me.
Where are you? Which one?
Someone touch. Thank you.
I just touched you. I just touched you. I just touched you.
You guys saved this
Wow.
shit until like.
Wow.
Bobby, I don't know what you're talking.
I don't know what Bobby's problem is he just doesn't like can't even be our true selves around Bobby. It's crazy.
Whoa, behind us, he's here, he's here. Armoring up.
No one's here, no one's here, no one's here, no one's here.
Where'd I go? I just got shot, you motherfucker. Ah, you're a fucking piece of shit. No!
I die. Can anybody make it to me? You're my hero, baby. Oh shit.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Check you.
No one behind.
Oh shit.
Back on station. Go get after it.
Why is it you motherfucker? I got your boyfriend at least. Alright. Can we get another loadie? I'm
That's
in the
really
air.
dangerous. Why you guys
Fuck.
make me do what I don't want to do?
Ah!
Fine. Still have some
Oh.
mates.
Oh, they got you too, Sand?
Hurry up.
Five squads still operational in the AO.
Wow.
Platinum.
Ooh, we got a buyback. What?
Bruh, I just got an advanced UAV.
Use it
Poppin'.
if you have it.
Yeah, I'm about to right now.
Establish hard on station.
You're welcome.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
They're all up here. I'm about to grab a sniper rifle and start feeding them bullets to the face.
In the top three. Don't let up now.
I got him.
Two left.
One over here.
Targets
Uh,
destroyed. Hell of a job.
Another buy state and loadout box right here.
He's coming. He's running. Get him.
Primary
That gun's trash.
Let's go. The TR2?
Yep.
Yeah, it's really bad. I saw you had it and I was like, you gonna find out. This is a terrible gun. Like, that's the worst conversion kit they've made so far.